Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Redmi 15A 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect pattern drawn. You can see incorrect pattern drawn. You can see. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide upward to power off the smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully powered off. Now press and hold the volume up and power button together. Just press and hold it, and when the MI logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume up button. And now release. And you can see it will send you in main menu of Xiaomi Hyper OS recovery. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So you can see reboot, wipe data and connect with MI assistant is available. Go to wipe data and confirm, and you can see wipe all data and back to main menu. Go to wipe all data and confirm, and you can see confirm wipe of all data. As you can see, confirm wipe of all data, this cannot be undone. Go to confirm and confirm it. Kindly wait, it might take some time. Okay, so you can see data wiped successfully. Now back to main menu, reboot and reboot the system. And guys, after hard set might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard set might again ask for password, pin or pattern, use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard set Redmi 15A 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.